Today we're going to be reviewing this bubble wand. This is the blue one and it also comes in pink. We have the wand and we also have these packs, and you get 4 packs of this bubble liquid, and this is the case, and this case you actually, yeah, we have 2 of this one.
I already got my one.
Yeah, so this one we actually put under here. We're going to install the battery. So to install the battery, you just want to unscrew. We're going to start off right here. Just put all the batteries in. We're going to put the battery case cover back on. I want to put that in there and then close it and attach the bubble. And it does come with a detachable fan, so all you just do is just put the fan to the end over there. And to start it, we're just going to click over here. You can see the fan. You can also press it again and it makes music. You can see the bubble. Hey. And then it plays music, and the fan, if you have the fan, can work. And when you press it again,